Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking for an easier and smarter way to manage your yard from a distance, this video is for you. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best remote control lawnmowers selected for their cutting performance, convenience, features, and overall value. You'll find all the latest prices and product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Mowrator 2WD. Imagine managing your entire yard without bending or sweating under the sun. The Mowrator 2WD makes that realistic through a powerful 1600W electric motor paired with a 21-inch cutting deck. Even thick St. Augustine grass gets perfectly manicured without back-breaking effort. The remote control system operates with only 5 milliseconds lag, allowing precise maneuvering under trees, around garden furniture, or along tricky edges naturally. The 56V12AA LiFePO4 battery delivers impressive marathon runtime, approximately 1.5 hours per charge, covering up to 0.75 acres without stopping. That covers substantial properties in single sessions. The 600W fast charger refuels the mower in just 70 minutes, so downtime between sessions stays minimal. Safety receives genuine attention through 5-layer protection, including ultrasonic sensors, bumpers, and emergency stops, protecting pets and children during operation. Number 2. AIWEIYA 5.9-inch. Versatility defines the AIWEIYA 5.9-inch robotic mower approach to residential lawn care. Equipped with a 1600-watt 24V brushless motor, it delivers consistent power while maximizing durability and reducing wear on rubber tracks. Adjustable mowing heights let homeowners tailor grass length easily according to seasonal needs and personal preference. The remote control enables precise movements, 360-degree rotation, and even on-the-spot climbing for navigating challenging terrain. 2-piece manganese steel blades ensure clean, fine cuts that help fertilize lawns naturally through mulched clippings. The intuitive remote makes starting, stopping, and maneuvering effortless without manual labor or complicated procedures. Lightweight design combined with robust motors and flexible chassis allows stable navigation across uneven terrain, slopes, and obstacles. The high-performance motor, paired with durable gearbox and intelligent blade system, guarantees long-term reliability and excellent cutting results. Number 3. DigMaster 9HP. Heavy-duty terrain demands different approaches. The DigMaster 9HP remote-controlled crawler mower handles exactly that scenario. Powered by a robust 9HP gas engine combined with industrial-grade 5.9-inch tracks, it tackles thick grass, weeds, and brush while maintaining superior stability compared to traditional wheeled mowers. The crawler track design ensures steady performance on steep slopes, mud, uneven ground, or large commercial areas, minimizing tipping risks significantly. The RC remote allows full control from up to 600 meters, enabling adjustments to speed, cutting height, and direction without physically walking the terrain. A 1.2-liter fuel tank supports approximately 1 hour of continuous operation, making it highly efficient for expansive properties. Beyond mowing, the DigMaster doubles as an all-season tool with detachable snowplow attachments. Winter clearing of driveways, sidewalks, and orchards becomes possible without separate equipment. Number 4. AIWEIYA Snowplow. Precision, durability, and versatility combine in the AIWEIYA Snowplow remote-controlled mower. The 1600W 24V brushless motor paired with precision gearbox provides consistent, high-performance power for extended periods. Reliable operation across varied terrains remains dependable without fluctuation or performance degradation. The chassis allows 360-degree rotation and smooth climbing, while adjustable cutting heights ensure perfect trimming on lawns, hills, terraces, and orchards. Dual manganese steel blades provide clean, fine cuts while naturally mulching clippings to recycle nutrients back into soil. Remote control delivery means effortless operation with minimal physical effort, suitable for all users regardless of age or strength. AIWEIYA designed this specifically for stability and adaptability, performing efficiently on slopes, dense vegetation, or wet conditions. Number 5. iBaeggs 45-degree slope. Precision and effortless operation define the iBaeggs 45-degree slope remote-controlled mower for smaller properties. Dual 3AH batteries provide 60 minutes of cordless runtime, while all-wheel drive traction ensures safe operation on slopes up to 45 degrees. That capability expands possibilities beyond flat lawns significantly. Users adjust both speed and cutting height via ergonomic remotes, customizing experience for thick or uneven grass easily. Professional-grade triple blades cut cleanly and efficiently at 3,400 RPM, providing superior performance while remaining quieter and lighter than traditional gas mowers. Zero emissions make it environmentally friendly with easy maintenance, requiring no fuel, oil, or complex servicing procedures. Safety receives genuine attention through emergency stop buttons, blade guards, and auto shutoff, ensuring worry-free operation around family members. And that wraps up the top 5 best remote control lawnmowers. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.